Now that you have your star shape, you might have a bunch of ends on the back, and if you want to turn this into an ornament, you're going to want to hide these ends cleanly. So the way I do that is thread your yarn needle, and whatever color you have, make sure you only go underneath those stitches when you are weaving them in. I usually just go back and forth randomly 2 or 3 times. And then trim the end. Also, don't go through the layers so that way it pokes through to the front. You never want to poke through the front. Make sure it only stays on the back side. And then the way I do a clean fasten off after you've made your join, you thread the needle, and then you're going to put your needle underneath the very next stitch, under both loops, pull it through, and then you're going to want to go back through the back loop of your join. Just the back loop. So that way when you pull it through, you've created another stitch. And there you go.